Have a look here at the interesting breakdown taking place on IBM. As you can see, I'll just change to the Bollinger Band squeeze. You can see it was a very neutral trade setup, long above 165.09, short below 159.86. I did personally prefer the bullish breakout because of support and resistance being very, very near to the bearish breakdown. As you can see, however, the bears have really sold IBM down over the past 2 days. We've blown through both these two very strong levels of support, one at 159.10, the second at 156.50. Today we closed at 153.06. My ultimate target on IBM, because I know a lot of people are in this on the short side, is ultimately down here about $151.20. I do expect IBM to slow down at this level, move sideways, maybe potentially retrace back into the exponential moving averages. But what becomes very fascinating is that if I change to the weekly, and if I have a look at lower areas of support, this is the first support level, which we've really broken through, this 156.50. Here's the second support level, around 150.40. So you can see why our first target or our next target is just above that support level. If we start breaking down below, pardon me, this lower wick here, about 146.81, this is going back to the beginning of 2011. Really the base of IBM is going to fall out. We have a very nice breakaway gap right here. You can see my lower targets. I'm going to draw these in for you right now. You can see we have a lower target all the way down here. This is going back, pardon me, to a bullish breakout back in 2010 at 133.28. I'm going to move this down because this is a very logical area for a target in the future given the current trajectory of IBM. I'm going to put it right here. It comes in at about $120.40. I'm also going to draw in another resistance level, which is going back to 2010. 1, 2, 3, 4. Generally, I like to do is, or what I do, pardon me, is I'll draw with a line chart right here, and then I'll change to the candle chart just to make sure that the intraday volatility hits that support and resistance level. That is also a very nice area of support in the future. So $129.40. Now, the reason I'm bringing this to your attention is because it looks as if we are getting some pretty decent trend follow through to the downside on IBM. If we start again breaking below 146.81, it's going to be a very quick ride to 142.50. But ultimately, I can see IBM going back to the accumulation which took place between $129.40 and $120.40, going back to, or going back as far as 2008 and 2010. These are the two levels of resistance and support which I've just highlighted with these two support or future targets. IBM is definitely a stock to keep on your watch list. All right, so thanks a lot for watching the video, ladies and gentlemen. Have a look tomorrow, Tuesday afternoon, at the end of market close for some additional updates. All the best. Goodbye.